Alright, y'all. I'm just leaving the dentist. Still heavily medicated. He did tell me be in some pain. He feel 3 teeth today. Okay, I just want to show y'all my curl pattern. This is it. Here's mine. Brandy's, because she don't want none of her rice. And Donte's. Donte got a little bit more than everybody else because y'all know my baby be working out every day. So. I hate all this overthinking. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Happy Monday. Oh, it's Monday. Hold on, I gotta get my life together. Give me 1 second. That's my clean towels. Oh, and my battery about to die. Good morning again. Happy Monday. I'm off today, but I have a dentist appointment. And you good, mama? I need to do your hair. I have a dentist appointment today, you guys, and I also have my chiropractor appointment this morning, which I really need. Especially from all the moving that I did this weekend. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing Monday. My goal is to go to my appointments today, come back, relax a little bit when I pick up Brandy, go walking, get me some fresh air. Hopefully it won't be too cold. Right now it's like 20 something degrees. But it's supposed to warm, sorry y'all. It's supposed to warm up today. So I'm hoping it still warms up like it's supposed to. And we can go walk. And when I come back from walking, I wanna well, after I pick up Donte, I wanna wash my hair, y'all. Cause my hair get washed. Brandy's sitting up here eating breakfast. Brandy doesn't eat breakfast at school. Donte does. So I'm gonna make it my point to get up early every morning and wake her up a little early so she can get her some breakfast. Did you want to be on camera, baby? Or if you want to just say good morning, they can't see you, but if you want to say good morning, that's cool. Want to say good morning to them? Wave your hand. There you go. But anywho, try making my point every morning just to get her up a little earlier so she can eat her some breakfast, y'all. Since she don't like eating it at school, so she's having some quick little food. You had your hair down the whole time, or you walk out like this too?
I wore it down. I wore it down in the pool. The slides.
It's alright. You can't tell. It don't look bad. It actually looks good. I think it's because it's like kinky hair, you know?
My dad said my hair looked like a sponge when it was wet.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, I did Brandy kinky twists like week before last, I want to say. I'm trying to get this hair roll together. That was like last week I did her hair, y'all. No, it wasn't last week, was it? Weekend before last, I did her hair. And kinky twists. I took my time. Well, I guess you can call them 2-strand twists. Let me show y'all. Pretty sure y'all seen it on yesterday's vlog, but I took my time and did her hair. Hold on, let's see. There we go. Add a little color to it. Like really pretty springy hair. I really do like it because it fits her really well. Okay. What chips, baby girl? Oh, those Doritos. Can you just take the whole bag? Okay. That's the only snack you taking? The only snack you taking, baby? Yeah. On the cheese? No. On cheese?
Sure.
Or you want something sweet? So I didn't buy no fruit snacks.
Hey, pass me a cheese.
Cheese. chocolate oil is snack you can put in your bag though, baby. You know of any other, or you just want the chips? Huh? Is it gonna last all day to even sustain it then? I don't think so. Like sweet wise. Those muffins? Which one you want, chocolate chip or birthday?
Birthday.
I get some Ziploc bags today. Okay, y'all. So just showing y'all a little bit of our morning. I'll have a more in-depth morning routine for y'all soon. But this pretty much what we're gonna be doing every single morning. At least trying to. Alright. Got your hair done. You gotta pack your Chromebook, baby, and come brush your teeth. And wash your face. I'm gonna pull up these towels when I get back home from my dentist appointment. Probably try to do some more stuff around the house and then lay my butt down, y'all, because I deserve to sleep a little bit. So my goal is for us to leave the house every morning at 7. I already know it's gonna be impossible. So 7:10 is the goal. If we can leave by 7:10, we'll be good. And Brandy slept really good in her bed last night, y'all. I had no issues. She actually went to sleep before me. And when she went to sleep, I was still up, so I watched a little bit of TV. But we both watched the same thing last night, so we had no problem. But after she fell asleep, I just went ahead and turned TV on something I wanted to watch. And yeah, I was knocked out, y'all. I was gone. So real simple and chill night. Brittany, did you check if the tooth fairy came? Brandy lost a tooth yesterday. You want to show me you lost a tooth? Come on. Brandy lost a tooth yesterday, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to wash my hair later. And I say, Ronnie, he doing his own thing, y'all. But dang, Donte. Donte, don't break that Chromebook. Hold on, y'all.
Oh, my tooth came out, but it started to grow back.
Turn the light on.
Because my tooth that was growing back had pushed it.
Yeah. I think that's why it came out so quick. Yep, come here.
So this one came out. This one came out.
How many fingers I can see?
This one came out and
Okay.
this one.
All right. Now, she got the 2 adult teeth going in after. Check if the tooth fairy came. Because I had called her.
For both of my money?
I don't know. Oh, I did remind her. Nah, I don't know what she did, but I remind her. Then we gotta go, baby.
I don't see it.
You pull back the covers? Because I just made up your bed. Make sure you straighten your bed back up.
$5. This a $10.
Okay.
That was big too. What are you?
Is that what, Brittany?
Those was big too.
I can't dictate what the tooth fairy gave now, Brittany. The tooth fairy is real. Come on, baby, go wash your face and brush your teeth. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all once I get probably to the chiropractor office. When I get there to drop the kids off. One of the two.
I'm ready to go to school.
I'm not gonna
Oh, that's Ariel. Let me go ahead and get out.
go. Okay. You gonna call her name before she walk off? Love you. This ain't even close my door, Donte. Can you close my door? The seatbelt in the way. It didn't close, baby boy. Thank you, Donte. You got some long arms. Let's send it, Donte. Y'all, scratch that from the record. Love you, man. Ooh. Alright, it's a little early, but I'm gonna go ahead and still head towards this chiropractor office. And I forgot I had to go by the post office today. I'm gonna get money. Alright, get your life together. Alright. Get together, sis, get together.
Good morning.
Oh, thank you. You let me back in. I ain't getting my phone. So hey.
Good morning.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Hey Matthew, how you doing? You can come over here, Matthew.
Yeah, I made it to the post office. My chiropractor appointment was everything. After I took that little snip for y'all to see, y'all was in that laying on that bed, whatever it's called, about to go to sleep. When I tell y'all, it helped so much. It helps so much every time. Like I don't know, it just helps so much. So anywho, it definitely helped, especially from all the moving I've been doing this weekend. It definitely helped. Yeah, I'm sleepy because it was so relaxing. So now I'm sleepy. I was about to say something that's not getting. I was about to say. Oh Lord, just know it was nice. It was nice and relaxing. Alright, let me get in this post office so I can get this key, so I can do a change of address and get my life together. Oh Lord, Jesus. Good morning, how you doing? Thank you. Look here, I understand that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Alright, that didn't take too long. It is, I need to put those files in the house too. It is 9:13 and my dentist appointment isn't until 10:30. So I kind of want to go look in some stores. I kind of want to go to Ollie's. I kind of want to go to Aldi's right behind me. Not Aldi's, Ollie's right behind me. I really don't want to spend that extra money, but I do need to get cabinet liners. So, come on, people. Everybody at post office today, y'all. So because I didn't get cabinet lines, I'm just go ahead and go there and waste some time. And I just may get to my appointment a little early. I'm trying to avoid driving all the way back. Thank you, Clark. I'm trying to avoid driving all the way back home and you have to come back this way. Granted, it's not far. It's not like come on, mister. Come on, granddaddy. All right now. Granddaddy on that phone cupcake and he cheesing hard, honey. You hear me? Okay, anywho, granted, I don't stay too far. It's just I don't want to go back to that side of town and then have to come back this way. So I'll just waste some time. by looking in the stores. Hopefully the store open. That I got a flower vase in my back seat, y'all. I mean in my trunk. So if y'all hear something rolling and ripping, that's what it is. Well, I didn't see what time. I said they open. Hey Siri, what time does Ollie's open? Okay, open at 9. So they just opened. Perfect timing. Now let's hope that they have cabinet liners. Alright, I'm gonna take y'all in the store with me, okay? Let me get my stuff and get myself situated. And we're gonna go in the store and do a little bit, not no shopping. We're just gonna go in the store and look around. See what we can find. Cause the only thing I need is some cabinet liners. I may have a coupon. Okay. Let me grab me some of these Ziploc bags. I'm gonna get 2 things over. And let's see. That's how much they tithe is. That music gets loud, y'all. Why is it so loud? Let's see. Where the rest of the dove will be at? Nope. Don't see it. This is so nice. See, no cabinet liners. Nope. Okay. Make sure I ain't missing nothing over here. still got like, excuse me, 45 minutes before, I'm sorry, I still got 45 minutes before my appointment. And I was just gonna wait and eat after my appointment, but I'm a little hungry now, so I'm gonna go grab me something to eat. And plus, I don't know what side they're doing the fill-ins on, so yeah. Why I see some close to this parking spot? Cause what in the world? Let me just turn this way. Maybe it's the way how I pulled in. Probably my fault. Anywho, get your words out, sis. Get your words out. I was gonna wait and eat after my dentist appointment, but I don't know which side they're doing fill-ins on, and just in case I can't eat on one side, at least I'll have some food in me already, so I can go home and take me a nap, because it's tired. Like, I'm so tired right now. Oh Lord. So yeah, I'm gonna go by Burger King and get me a croissant and a water. And I still got leftovers from yesterday, so if I get hungry later while I'm at the house, I'll eat my leftovers. I don't have no meat, but I still got rice and gravy left, and I got green beans left. I don't think I want them green beans. I mean, it's how the rice and gravy. And I need to figure out what I'm gonna cook for today. I'm trying to do better. Yes, ma'am, that's me. I'm trying to do better. I don't know. I may put, it's kind of late to put them beans in the crock pot though. And when we have our smoked egg bone, that's what we have it with. Beans. I don't know. Now, it may not be too late. If I do, let's say I get home at 12. 12 to 1. 12 to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 to 5. 5 to 6, 6 to 7. That's 7 hours with them in the crock pot. Okay, no, I may do that then. I may do the lima beans and smoked egg bone for dinner. So that works. And I like cooking the lima beans with the smoked egg bone because I don't have to add no salt in the lima beans. I can just season them like with my regular seasoning, everything except for salt. And then some of the salt from the smoked neck bones. And yeah, I boiled my smoked neck bones like 3 times. My dad, and I got it from my dad because he was like, I had boiled them one time and I had cooked lima beans and rice. This was some years ago, y'all. And they were still a little salty. My dad, he's like, boil your smoked neck bone. He's like 3 times. He said, boil them, pour the water out, put more water in there, boil them. And so I was like, okay, then I'll try that way. And I like it ever since. I've been trying that way. But like I said, it's been years ago. So yeah, we'll have that. And some rice. Yeah, okay, that sounds real good. And maybe some rolls or something with it. That'll work. And then I probably could have, I know I have enough left over so I can take some when I go to training tomorrow. I have enough to take me for lunch. Or for leftovers the following day. That works, y'all. That works real good because Donte got a track meet tomorrow. So if I cook it today, we'll have some left over for tomorrow, and then I can just go home and warm that up. Oh, that works perfect. So that's dinner. Dinner is lima beans, rice, and smoked egg bone. I got cash on that today. Yeah, I am. Oh my Lord. And I did edit the vlog from yesterday, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm boring y'all right now because right now I'm just doing nothing. So, all right, y'all. I'm just leaving the dentist. Still heavily medicated. He did tell me I'm gonna be in some pain. He feel 3 teeth today, so he told me I'm gonna be in some pain. So I'm gonna go home and go on the couch and just lay down. And he feel them on this side. If I can't tell, but they're all on this side. And then next time I get them on this side. So y'all, oh my Lord, one step closer. Well, I'm about to put my seatbelt on again. One step closer, you guys. One step closer to get some implants, so I won't have these missing spots. One step closer. Why do I keep grabbing my seatbelt? Because I'm tripping. I'm going home to lay down and give me some medicine in me, especially before I start feeling pain. So yeah. Alright, and then he said when he had to get really, really close to the nerve. So he said if it start causing me problems, so definitely let them know, because then they have to do a root canal. So yeah. Bro, you look bad. Y'all, why is my face still numb? I don't know. I'm trying to think when the last time I talked to you. I think that was like 1-ish. So it is, I think, no, I don't think it was 1 yet. Yeah, I think it was like 12 something. Let me see. 12:56. It is 2:37 and my face is still numb. So I'm finally cooking this morning bone. Yeah, I got a lot of pieces for $5.49. I took it to edit for y'all, but when I tell y'all, like, I couldn't keep my eyes open, I legit couldn't keep my eyes open when I was editing. So I did export the video. I'll go back and watch. If I need to change something, I will, y'all. But this is just exhausted. Like, what the world? I feel like I need to go back and watch the video, but I had accidentally closed out, and the beans smell so good. Like, they're not even done yet, but they smell so good. Like, so good. What's I saying? I accidentally closed out the thing when I was sleeping, and when I got back up, I went back into it so that I could export the video. Y'all, thing said I had a little bit of storage, so I said, what the world? So I don't know what I did while I was sleeping. So Listen, I need to go back and watch it. I am. I'm gonna go back and watch it. Let me get my life together first. And then I'm gonna go back and watch it. We'll put that smart nip on, so that'll be on low in the crock pot. Y'all, me and Miss Brandy out here walking. Well, I'm walking, Brandy more so playing, but I put my little tennis shoes on, put my little pants I had on earlier.
How much cartwheels should I do?
Do 5.
3,
5.
2, come on, count down.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. We know been out here, y'all, probably about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Good job, mommy. Come on. I don't know what Brittany doing. But yeah, we've been out here, y'all, about 15, 20 minutes. Just getting our walk on. It's like my 3rd lap around. I don't know what that child over there doing. Come on, Brandy. Oh, Lord. Y'all, my plan is to do this for about 45 minutes. Come on, girl. 45 minutes to an hour. Probably not every day, but... Huh?
I got flour for you.
You got flour for me? Thank you, baby. Put in my hand with the rest of the stuff I'm carrying. Do about maybe 45 minutes a day, if possible, or every other day. Me and Brandy came out here because I picked up from school around 4, and we got some time before Donte get picked up from practice. But during the regular days, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, y'all, because y'all know it still gets dark pretty early. So I'm gonna have to wait the time change to get back out here. But I want to start back walking consistently. I'm not power walking, none of that. I'm just walking normal, getting some steps in and making my body feel better. So yeah, and I left the food in the crock pot. It's still on low, so it'll be done by the time we get home. Put some rice with it. That's gonna be dinner. Where you at, mommy? All right, y'all, finally made it home. I am about to wash this head of mine. I'm still gonna do the hair video for you guys. It won't be today. I know it won't be today because, sorry, hold on. Come on, Frank, in the world. Okay, I know it won't be today, but I'm gonna do a hair video for y'all sometime very, very soon. I just want to get my hair washed, blow dried and straight, and I want to get this process over with because I'm already tired. The food is, hold on, y'all. Better not my work phone ringing. Hold on, y'all. Okay. The food is almost done. I just gotta do the rice. I'm going to take out everything I'm gonna need. Y'all, why am I call my work phone? Can't catch a break. That's why I gotta get everything organized. When I tell you I slept like a baby. Yeah, oh shoot. I legit slept like a baby earlier. And then I don't have any heat protectant to go on my hair. Don't y'all do that, okay? I got none. Oh, y'all about to fall. Hold on, y'all. But you're like, Brittany, why are you in this awkward angle? Alright. if y'all want to know, if you want to know the secret to hair growth, this is one of my secrets. It may not work for everybody, but one of my secrets is I don't wash my hair too often. I wash my hair maybe, it's supposed to be at least once a month. Lately, I haven't even been washing it once a month. I've been washing like every other month. Y'all probably like, Brittany, girl, that's too long to go without washing your hair. And it probably is. Like, it legit probably is. But it works for me. It works. So, I'm going to get this hair washed up. I've been hate wearing these ponytails, though. That ain't the secret of growing hair. Wearing ponytails is not the secret. Alright, let me take my shower. Get this hair washed. Relax a little bit. I need to set this water boiling for this rice. But I'm going to relax a little bit, y'all. And I'll come back once my hair is done, okay? Or like halfway through the process, I'll come back and show y'all. Alright. Okay, I just want to show y'all my curl pattern. This is it. A loose curl pattern or heat damage, one of the two. But this is my curl pattern. My curls are definitely tighter in the back than they are in the front. But yeah, this is it. Alright, let me blow dry so I can hair eat because I'm hungry, y'all. I had that sandwich earlier from Burger King and that was it. I am a little hungry. The tooth that they did the filling in, one of them is actually bothering me, but it's not bad to where it's like, oh my gosh, something's wrong. Just a little bit of light pain, but I think that's normal. So okay, let me go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'll show y'all that. Alright, y'all, this is what we're working with. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is what we're working with. Looking real healthy. I probably need another trim, but I'm hot. So I'm gonna let my scalp cool, let my hair cool, then I straighten it. And it helps my hair to stay straighter longer. We gotta go eat. I know I done said it 15 times. I bet y'all like, Brittany, girl, at this point, so just go eat, because you done said it 15 times. I know, y'all. I know, at this point. Whew. Lord Jesus, I'm hot. I have to sweep around here and bring that vacuum around here. I got hair everywhere. Whew. Lord Jesus. Alright. Next clip is going to be of our food. Okay? It's going to be the next clip. And then my twin back there, she can't stay away from me. Ain't that right, twin? Ain't that right, twin? She can't stay away from me, y'all. Here's mine's. Brandy's, because she don't want none of her rice. And Donte's. Donte got a little bit more than everybody else because y'all know my baby be working out every day. So he needed a little bit more. So, but I got some more rice left. And of course more lima beans and smoked neck bone if they want more. Brandy didn't want no beans. I'm gonna let her eat the way she want to eat. And I'm gonna get them a juice because I know Brandy had a water and I know Donte get plenty of water. So I'm gonna get them a juice. We're about to sit down and eat. I'm gonna let mine cool a little bit because I don't want to eat it this hot. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this food because I'm hungry and it's been smelling up the whole, like setting up the whole house. And it smells so good. Oh, why y'all so close? It smells so good. So, about to eat good. Y'all, come on, eat. Whew. Gosh, the show kind of loud, ain't it? Oh Lord, what are you guys having for dinner? Comment below. I want to know. I want to be nosy. Tell me what y'all having for dinner. Is it something quick and simple? Is it takeout? I'm trying to do better with takeout. I'm trying. Remember I told you I'm trying to be more financially stable this year. And part of that means less eating out, at least for me. And that's only for me because I'm a family of 3. Now, if you one person, oh, I definitely understand why you eat out. Because groceries high. So I get it. I get why you eat out. Alright. I'll show y'all my hair once it's straightened and done. Okay. Comment below what you ate for dinner. Oh, that looks so delicious. Yeah, definitely comment below. Let me know what y'all had.